how to make this cool claw machine, fidget machine. First, get a box and cut off the top like tab thingies. I already did that off camera before this video, so yeah, do that. Before we go on with the video, I need to show you the supplies. So the first thing you need is some tape, also a rubber band, some scissors, stickers, and a piece of paper, and a pencil. So the first thing you're going to want to do is outline these cutout spots. I already cut it out, outlined it with pencil, and then cut it out with some scissors. So you can go ahead and pause the video and do that. And so next, so you know like the tabs that were up here that we just cut off? Well, make sure you did that, because like the one that was right here, the long one over here and the long one over here, you can take those and tape it together. And then there's two, one over here and one over here. So you're going to take one of those and cut it like this. So cut two things that look like this. Then tape it to the back of like those two like pieces up here that you taped together. Then like tape it to the back of the box in here, and now you'll have this. But like if it doesn't fit in the box perfectly, make it a little more looser. So now you'll have this. But like when you tape it this part in, make sure that when it's straight, it outlines with the top of this thing you cut out a little earlier. Now, after all that, you will be ready to go to the next part, the rubber band part. Well, actually, before that part, you are going to need to cut out something that looks like this. So this will be the handle, this thing on the other one I made from that other video. Make sure it fits in this thing before you tape it over here. So now make sure before you tape it, you know that it's aligned with over here, which is where the lever works. Now you will take the rubber band and put it on like this. After you put it on like that, make sure it stays like that, like tape it. After you make sure it's secure, you are going to tape the top of it. So you're going to tape the top of the rubber band right under the coin slot, which is this tiny hole right here. Now that you taped the rubber band directly under the coin hole in the inside, it's basically done. All you have to do is decorate. I hope you had fun making the machine. Bye, guys.